Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to lock chat and hide our chat on WhatsApp. So you can open any chat, and then on top you see name my file. So you can click on your chat name on top. So we are going to lock this chat and only accessible this chat by using your fingerprint or security. So click on top and then you see option chat lock and hide this chat on this device. So enable this option and then you see keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notification on this device. So click on continue. WhatsApp Business, confirm to lock your chat, scan your fingerprint, use pattern, and then you see this chat is locked for added privacy. Chat will also be locked on certain link devices. Now click on OK. Now you see chat is locked. Now back to WhatsApp. Now you don't see your locked chat here. Now scroll up and then you see new folder lock chat. So click on it. Again you see unlock to continue, scan your fingerprint, use pattern. So open it. Now you see lock chat open. So in this way you can lock and hide your chat using fingerprint or security on WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.